Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Google Translate to your Chrome. So keep watching the video till the end to know how you can do so, and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Also hit that bell button so you get notified for more future videos. Now to add Google Translate to your Chrome, you will firstly need to go to the web store. In the search bar, type in web store. Now after you enter the website, you can type in search bar Google Translate. And then select the option which says Google Translate. After you select it, you can see a button to add it to Chrome. Click on this and click on Add Extension. Now Google Translate has been successfully added to Google Chrome. Now if you want to use it, you can click on this extension option and there you'll see Google Translate. And from here you will be able to easily translate any languages. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.